I rig Mike Love. What is good, YouTube? Let's just slide this aside. It's Leon from Sneaker Klinic, and no, I am not using a new phone yet. I'm still using my iPhone 6s, which to me is technically iPhone 15. This is a new place. Oh my god. I'm not gonna do those kind of YouTubers like, oh, check out my new place, blah, blah, blah. Here's a vlog. We're gonna get down to it. It's gonna be a cleaning tutorial. I got my 3 brushes, Rejuvenator. That one just fell. Is the soft hair, and we got the medium, and of course, the stiffy brush. These are the old ones, they're not the new ones. If you really want to wear a mask for this cleaning tutorial, my god, go ahead and do it. Hold on a second, let me grab the shoe. Yeah, here it is. Alright, so what do we got here? It's a very Asian bag. Fruity World. Let's take the shoes out. Sorry for being weird again. Oh my, you know what? I don't want to place the shoe on the clean island table. Let's just do this for now. This is a men's pair, Alexander McQueens, okay? We're gonna be doing a, it's called Refresh Package Clean. I made it up, of course. What it includes is the midsoles, the uppers, laces, just like my standard package cleaning. And the extra stuff is that it includes the interior cleaning as well as the odorizer. Now, all of my packages, they do have water repellent from Rejuvenator. You're gonna need a bowl of clean water. I don't know why I'm putting random stuff here. We're missing something. I think I almost forgot where it was. Where it is. Look at this. Ooh, bam, 3 ounce. That's all you need. Cleaning solution. So I did a quick inspection already. I'm not going to be cleaning the bottoms. The laces, oh my god, let's just, what am I doing? Let's just give you a 360 view, okay? Real quick. So here's the front, the midsoles, dirty, gross, right? I think that's gum. The laces, seems like the laces, it's got some red color that's already coming out from the tongue. Yeah, I don't know if I can get that out, but I'll do my best, right? Put this aside. There's some yellow pee-pee stains, all right? Seems like his shoes always have pee-pee stains. By the way, this is the same customer that dropped off a couple shoes before, and I already cleaned his shoes and actually made tutorials for it. So this is another pair. This is his 3rd pair. Thank you again to my new subscribers for tuning in. Let's grab the water. I'm just playing games right now. Put it exactly in the middle. All right, let's just, I have about 1 inch, you can see, all right, of water there, the height. I'm just going to, it's probably too much. So let's stop. I don't want to waste my solution. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. You need these wobbly shoe trees. Excuse me. This is why I don't like new places. Because it's too much space and too many things to put where you don't want to put stuff. Okay, clean microfiber cloths. So I'm gonna leave the laces because that's exactly how I do things. Put the bag on the ground. I'm going to make sure that, don't put it too close to your face. Stick this bendy shoe tree in there carefully. Make sure that the toe has some good support. It's not really working. So if that's the case, stick it in deeper, okay? Much better. Grab the soft bristle hair brush. I know you guys miss my old background, the little spare room. All my tutorials so far this year, they've been filmed in that room. It's cold now. I need an upgrade, all right? This is the kitchen here. Hopefully when I have everything set up, lighting and all that good stuff, right? Equipment, mic, right? Okay, it's gonna be a lot better for you guys. So I'm not gonna worry about testing an area. This is just leather, right? So I'm gonna do circular motion. Oh yeah. So I apologize because I don't have slow motion special filming techniques, right? I don't have music right now. I'm sorry if you guys like watching this kind of tutorial where it's slow motion, camera is up close to the suds, just, you know, spraying onto your face. That sounds really wrong again. But I'm gonna hit the entire shoe, the midsoles as well, with the soft brush. This is going to get rid of a lot of the easy surface dirt. Shake it, all right? Don't have to shake up too much because I actually do want this to be foamy, right? So let's just do this. And this particular part, I'm actually not gonna cut this video because I don't want to. Notice that by leaving the laces on the shoe, I can actually use the brush to clean it, right? It's not gonna do like a full, you know, job, but it's good enough for now because later on I will remove the laces and actually hand clean it and then make sure that I can get it all nice and white. Oh no, my laces are not white. Still has some blood stains on it. Leon, you do a really bad job. I don't want to pay you anymore. So luckily there's no suede on the shoe. The only suede is getting my island expensive table all dirty. The inside here, right? This inside part, it's actually, I don't know, I think it's fake. Fake suede. So this is actually pretty easy, except, you know, when you're actually cleaning the midsoles, you have to do it by hand with a cloth. That's gonna take a little bit of time. The stitching, I always want to make sure that I target the stitching as much as possible. Okay, let's just put this aside. I'm not gonna dry it just yet because I know I'm quick. I think I made a big boo-boo by putting dirty shoes on a kitchen table, right? This is a big no-no. Don't do this at home, kids, adults. Don't ever do this. This is really bad. Alexander McQueen. Okay, I'm done. Put this brush aside. Make sure you pat the shoes completely dry. This is just the how do you say it? Pre-treatment, okay? Shoeinator, they always like to use that term. Make sure you pre-treat the shoes before you throw it in the laundry wash. We're not gonna throw this in the laundry wash. When you're, look at that, done. So I'm gonna remove the laces. Oh my God, you guys, if you have this pair of shoe, what is going on, Alex? Like, seriously, he needs to get new laces. This Chinese noodles, totally contaminated. All right, do the other side. We're gonna use the soft bristle brush again for the tongue part. And then because this is a inside cleaning, right, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna clean the inside as well, right? Do the whole thing, insoles as well. Obviously this, I gotta clean it because I was just cleaning the freaking table. Now I'm gonna show you how the insoles actually look like. Wear gloves because this has got a stink. Whew. For evidence, we're gonna have to remove that. Is the red blood coming out? No, it's not. Okay, good. Keep going. Woo! Make sure you clean the inside of the tongue and the top. All right, sorry guys. Dentist work, right? You gotta make sure that your tongue is clean. All right, so I'm gonna clean the inside lining all over as best as I can. So the good thing about the inside is, like, if you make a stain, it's all good because they're never gonna know. Looks very inappropriate. Check out the tongue, right? The tongue action, you see the leather, the color, the fake freaking paint is coming out. Designer shoes, hypebeast shoes, you know, I keep saying it. My goodness, quality sucks. Sometimes this is not there. All right, so, sorry. Shaky. I'm still using the same soft brush. I think over there is better. Oh my God, Asian hair. So let's just do the first round, right? It's really easy, right? Just another hair strand of hair. Once you're done, you can use the medium brush if you want. This is just the first round. I don't normally clean the underneath, but this material Yeah, seems pretty cool. So I'm just gonna clean it for the heck of it, right? Why not? Proves to the customer that proves to the customer that I'm doing more work. Sweep. That was a lot of friction. Just sweep it. Ew. I'm going to let this entire shoe dry completely. Give it like half a day, 1 day before I hit it with the medium brush. It's not too bad. Am I going to dunk the laces in this dirty bowl of solution? Heck no, not Rejuvenator. Put this aside. Chinese noodles. I don't want to clean it. It's bleeding. The noodles are bleeding. You know why? Because when I was cutting this Chinese flat noodle, I cut myself. Okay, one of the laces, I actually tried to use pure white vinegar. And then, of course, dilute it with clean water. I let it soak in there, twirl it around, not with my finger, of course. And I let it soak for maybe, I don't know, actually hours. Probably too long. And I was trying to see like, hey, would it actually remove this dye? I think it's a little bit better, but I didn't use bleach because I don't use bleach when I'm cleaning this kind of stuff, or even on shoes. That's kind of cheating in my opinion, and bleach is not always good in the long run. For the materials, they may yellow more over time, okay? So I will go ahead and hand brush, Rejuvenator, hand brush this further later off camera. This one has not been done yet, but I'm gonna basically just use Dawn solution, all right? Just put a little bit of Dawn. If you don't have Dawn, get no, you need Dawn. Just get Dawn, put it in a bowl, put some water in there. They recommend hot, warm water. I'm okay using warm to cold, doesn't really matter. And I'm just gonna soak it in there, and then maybe 15-20 minutes, right? If you really want to leave it for half an hour, it's all good. Don't blame me, it's not the real instruction, right? There's no actual deadline. And take it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and use Rejuvenator over top and just basically clean the laces. Let it air dry, of course. I'm not gonna throw this in a laundry wash because I know it's not gonna do anything. Comparison reasons, the left side is actually almost done. So I hand detailed the left side of the shoe, all right, cloth solution. Just hand detailed the midsole. Hit some of the leather areas, whatever shoe you're cleaning. Sometimes the brush doesn't really get rid of the dirt that's still on the leather. Surprisingly, Rejuvenator is supposed to clean everything, but it doesn't. You can see, I'm gonna lift the red bleeding tongue up. So it's not gone, right? All the stains here, but it's better than this one. This one's not done yet, duh. So side-by-side comparison, right? This is not very hard to do. You just gotta be patient and put a little bit more pressure. I did the inside already, okay, woo. And yeah, it's definitely a lot cleaner. I actually used a vacuum cleaner to clean the inside because there was some rocks and pebbles there. And Chinese hair, of course. Insoles, you guys are curious, which side's actually done? To be honest with you, neither. This one is the existing foot evidence from my customer. This is the one that I actually tried to clean. I didn't want to go too excessive on this because I know that the material will slowly rub off and I don't want to damage it. So this is not done, this is done. You kind of get a little bit of improvement, right? But it's better than not cleaning the insoles. Oh! Okay, so Rejuvenator. I'm not hating on you guys, and you guys should know already. This is entertainment, but the most recent cleaning tutorial from Johnny Bubbles, he was actually using, dirty laces, right? He's done cleaning. Let's just say he's done cleaning the video. That's exactly what happened. He grabbed a brand new bowl and then brand new water solution, right? Put this freaking dirty laces in there. He didn't even use the existing dirty bowl of water, the one that he was using it to clean the shoes. And I was like, wow, this guy just copied me because I was telling everybody, how did they even get it clean? We're using the same dirty bowl of solution to clean the laces. It doesn't make sense. I don't remember if he threw the entire shoelace and shoe in the laundry wash. Usually they do, that's why they don't really care. But they still do the same thing, right? They still scrunch it up and they do this. And then it's good to go. I'm like, what? And then, of course, sometimes they'll tell you to use a soft brush. Just do this, right? No, you need to actually do more than that. For this particular lace, I've given up. Another cleaning tutorial from Rejuvenator. Cleaning the Zebra 350 V2s. It was kind of beat. The video was very high production, in my opinion. I didn't really like it because I know they're rich. I know they got Rolex watches and Mercedes-Benz and all the Teslas and stuff, but don't start showing off. Like it's not a movie. He was just like, oh my god, I need to do like a second round on this outsole because the boost, he called it cloud foam or clout foam, I don't know. It's actually boost, by the way. He was trying to stiff bristle brush it twice. The whole outsole was like, it's not doing anything, it's still stained. Maybe if we throw it in the laundry wash, it's gonna do a better job. I'm like, no, don't even bother. It's not going to. But he did mention a very cool trick that Vic Almighty, but he said there's a trick where you steam it. If you steam it, it actually loosens up some of the dirt and you can clean it again. Of course. One of the other things that when I was watching that tutorial, I was like, SMH, shaking my head. Yes, SMH, because he tried to use the soft bristle brush to clean the Yeezy's insoles, and then it's like you can still see the foot evidence on it. It didn't really do anything. He's like, maybe if I throw it in the laundry wash, it's gonna definitely get it out. I'm like, no, not completely. What you need to do is use the medium brush on those particular materials. Just clean it. You gotta concentrate on the area, right? The toe by toe, until you see it disappear. That's how I clean it. The soft brush won't do anything. So yeah, that's one of the things that I just kind of like, I don't know, like, is that how they clean the inside of the shoe? Because they should just hire me. But I don't want to work there. And I'm not American.